Snow removal is tough enough. Your plow shouldn't make it harder. That's why KAGE built the SnowStorm Wing Plow for 15,000 to 30,000 pound machines. The SnowStorm Wing's exclusive heel and toe floating wing skids automatically maintain contact with the pavement, even if plow pitch changes. No constant adjustments, no snow leaking under the wings, just cleaner passes and better containment. And when you're cleaning curbs, the floating wings ride up and over obstacles while the cutting edge stays on the pavement, delivering true curb-to-curb scraping performance. The 4-foot wings pivot a full 180 degrees, transforming the SnowStorm Wing from a box plow to a windrow plow, pusher, scoop, or backdragging tool in seconds. Trip edges on both the blade and wings protect against impacts, while steel wing skids and multiple cutting edge options deliver maximum scraping performance. Available in 7, 10, 12, and 14-foot center mold boards, and compatible with loaders, tractors, and telehandlers, the KAGE SnowStorm Wing is built to move more snow, clean more pavement, and maximize productivity. KAGE Innovation. Stay grounded.